Drop test for sample 1, production in March 2022, large oven, cube size 2.5 centimeters. To get bright, white, and sturdy briquettes like this, there are several things that must be considered. First, drying must use the oven so that the water content is low as possible. Thus, the level of bonded carbon will be high and produce suitable heat for a good briquettes. Second things, the composition of the dough mixture must be appropriate to get the appropriate baking time. If not, the burning time becomes longer and makes the briquettes easy to break and high as content. And the last thing, the charcoal used is pure coconut shell charcoal. If there is a mixture of other charcoal ingredient, it will reduce the quality of the briquettes. As content to be achieved is between 2% to 2.5%. Water content 6 to 8% and fixed carbon at 76.3%. This is a print and burn factory situation. Charcoal dough will be processed here and printed. This wet dough will be in the oven for reduce the water content.
Ya. Air obat batako itu loh. Betul. Yang ini kalau taruh di matahari nih kering.
What you see now is wet dough that just came out of the mixer. Mixing the dough will usually take up 2 rounds, then printed on the printer. Mold will be according to request, whether it's cube, tube, hexagonal, etc.
Kita hexa. Jadi ada yang cube, kotak, ada yang hexa.
This is a factory situation where the briquettes are being cooled and ready to be packaged. Later, the briquettes will be packed with a plastic inner depth of 1 kilogram. Then the inner box size is 1 kilogram. Then the final packaging in the master box contains 10 kilogram.